wonderful learning individuals. How are you all doing today? It's so great to have you here. Thank you also so much for pressing the play button. I am Johnny, your host with HomeCountry Mathematics. Now, let us learn some math together, shall we? Alright guys and gals, as usual, it's so great to have you here. Thank you so much for learning along with the channel. That is so great. Again, you are awesome for that. Alright, we are on Unit A, Section 1-6. The topic is perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Let's do some examples. Alright, let's do this. Remember, guys and gals, sharing is caring. Here you go. That is for you if you require it. Again, you could print this off, just simply snipping tool it yourself. However you do it, and then just print it off. And it's all yours. Okay, these are for rectangles and for squares, right? You can clearly see that. Okay. I'm so silly. Let's work on some more problems. This time we're going to work with some fractions. Oh yeah, fraction goodness. Again, guys and gals, I'm doing a whole series of a variety of mathematics or different areas / topics. There is one section or playlist dedicated to fractions. If you need additional support and help, please do look for that playlist. And it's great to have you. Thank you so much for learning along. And good luck. Okay, we're going to do another rectangle. Let's begin with drawing one up. We'll quickly do this. Whoops. And then we'll show that these are 90-degree corners. All right, good enough. Okay. And then I'll just go like this. All right, the perimeter, so our formulas. Let's write those down quickly. So we have them. P for perimeter equals 2 in brackets length plus width, close bracket, and that is it. Area equals L times W. This is L and this is W. Okay. What do we have? A rectangle with a width. So unfortunately I didn't leave myself a lot of room there. I should have gave myself more room. Okay. Here we go. Apologize. Please bear with me. W and area equals L times W. This is W. This is L. And we have 8.5 by 11. So this is 11 inches. And 8.5. Double ticks for inches. Okay. All right, let's solve for the perimeter and do substitution. L 11 plus W. Now we need to convert, well, I guess it could be called converting. Changing this from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay, again, my fractions playlist series, I show in great detail how to do that. Okay, the fraction is 17 over 2. Oh yeah, this is fun. All right, all we need to do, guys and gals, is get a common denominator. That's going to be 2. And this is going to double. Again, my fraction series shows you how to do that. I'm kind of just going through this quickly. And then we get P is equal to 2 times, now we need to know what 22 plus 17 is. We'll just do it quickly. 7 and 2 is 9, and 3. We get 39. Whoops. 39 divided by 2. Okay. So, if you understand, we have what is 2 over 1 and 39 over 2. I kind of just merged everything into one big fraction. Okay? I wanted to show you this so that you can see the canceling. Okay? We can divide the numerator by the denominator. Again, 2 divided by 2 is simply going to equal 1. Any value multiplied by 1, well, you're just going to get the same answer. I instantly or immediately recognize this as a numerator. That's my denominator. And we can do this because we are multiplying. I am left with 39 inches. All right, awesome sauceum. Now the area. Length. Multiply, I'm going straight to substitution. 17 over 2. Right? Yes. Okay. So I have 11 times 17. There's no reducing going on. We know that 11 is over 1. With multiplying fractions is so easy. All you have to do is numerator times numerator. Separately multiply the denominators together. They're independent of each other. Okay, so we're going to end up with a big, large number. 17 times 11. Trying to do this quickly. 7, 1, 0, 7, 1, 187. Okay, 187. divided by 2. Okay, let's double check. Make certain I haven't messed up anywhere. And that's going to be divided by 2. We're going to end up with a decimal. So I can easily change that to a fraction. Oh yeah, I guess I could turn this to a mixed at this point. We get 93.5, okay? Was 93 times 2. 6. I just want to check something. 186. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay? You want to get as close to 187 without going over, which works out to 93 and 1/2. All right. Oh, and our units are inches squared. All right. Okay, so let me leave. Well, I guess I'll do another one, I guess. 12 1/4. Oops, got that backwards. 14.5. 12 1/4. All right. Perimeter equals 2 bracket. Now I have to, again, these have to be improper, right? So length, okay, let me go like this. That's 14 doubled is 28. 29/2. Plus 12 1/4. That's 8, 48, 49. Hopefully I mathed that in my head properly. All right, so I'm going to keep this as a common denominator, which means I'm going to be doubling this fraction. Okay. I know I'm not showing all the work. I do apologize. Again, I do have fraction videos that shows all this work. So we're doubling that, so 29 times 2, 30 is 60. So 2 less, that's 58. Plus 49. Oops. All right, I'm going to end up with, I could actually factor here as well. So I'm going to make this a 1. This is going to be a 2. Because I'm multiplying, I could do this. I just reduce that. We're going to end up with 58 plus 49. I'm trying to do this quickly, guys and gals. We're adding, so that's 17. Right, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Carry the 1. This becomes 10. 107. Which is kind of a It's an odd numerator. So we got to get close to 107 without going over. I'm just going to do this quickly. 107. Whoops. I know it's going to be 50, right? 56. What's half of 56? That is the answer. What am I thinking, Bob? What did I just type? Wow. Clear that. 107. Let's do this. Divided by 2. 53. Okay, I was not mathing in my head properly. So we ended up with 53. 56. Why was I thinking 56? Yeah, because half of 6 is 3. Yeah. So 1/2. And our answer is inches, right? I should have marked it as inches. Okay, that's the perimeter. All right. I gotta kind of shortcut the steps, guys and gals. I do apologize, right? Otherwise, the videos are gonna get lengthy. Okay? Thank you for your patience and understanding. Length is 14. I should have. Okay, 14 double 28, 29, right? Divided by 2 times 48, 49, right? Divided by 4. All right. Ooh, we're going to end up with some really big numbers. These are odds, so they don't divide nicely. 7 squared is 49, so there's nothing there to factor. 14 twice is 28, yeah. And 12 4 times is 48, yeah, okay. So we're going to end up some big numbers. 29 times 49, some really large numbers. And then that's going to be divided by 2 times 4, which is 8. 392. Thankfully, it divided nicely. I couldn't reduce. There's no way to reduce here. So you pretty much just have to do the math, long math, okay? 29 times 49 divided by 8. 2 times 4 is 8, right? Whoops. Let's do that again. 29 times 49 divided by 8. What? Why am I getting a different answer? No. What did I do earlier, guys? Okay. Works out to 5/8. 177 and 5/8. I have to double check that. Probably a good idea to double check your work. That's interesting. Okay, let's do the long work then, just to double check. 29 times 49. Okay, I get 1421. 1421. And our denominator is 8. Okay, which is correct. That's correct. Okay, so we got to get close to 1421 without going over. So if I go 170 times 8, what does that give us? Just kind of roughly checking it out. 0, 56, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Gets us to 1360. Okay? So we got 177. I'm kind of glad that I checked the answer because that first one was incorrect. But I have 392 or something like that. Did I not divide by the proper value maybe? I don't know. Must have been something like that. Okay. 56, 5, 56, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 1, 6, 61, right? 8. And that should be 14, right? Yeah. 14, 16. And that's where the 5 comes in, right? $14.21, subtract 14.16 gives us that 5. Okay, there we go. That's just checking the work. I hope you guys and gals can follow what I did there, right? And that's correct. Okay, so we can go yays, and our units are going to be inches squared. Of course, I didn't leave myself any room for that. Or I could just do go like this. There we go. Okay, I hope you're good. All right, let's do this. Thank you guys and gals so much for learning along with the channel. I truly do appreciate you. Again, if you need more work on fractions, click the like button, I guess, on this video. That'll tell me that you would like to see me do more fractions, okay? And then I'll do all the steps, all right? Just trying to speed this up and kind of keep within a certain time frame for each of these videos for you guys and gals to watch and learn along. I am Johnny. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see. Next, we are done with this section. The next section is 1-7. The topic is area and circumference of circles. All right, I'm excited and I cannot wait. I love circles so much. Oh, joy. Okay, guys and gals, you are appreciated. I'll see you in the next section. Thank you for watching and take care.
Thank you.